My name is Chris Sally Davis. I work for Girl Scouts of the USA, but I'm also the proud troop leader of Girl Scout Daisy Troop 44792, which is a part of Girl Scouts of Western Ohio Council, which on this map, this is a big map of all the councils across the US, and Girl Scouts of Western Ohio is located right here. It's the whole western half of Ohio. Today, we're going to get started on earning the Money Counts leaf, which is, there are 3 steps to earning this leaf, and today we're going to complete the first step of that. So let's get started. There are many different kinds of coins. Each one has a different value. The 4 most common coins include the penny, which is 1 cent, the nickel, which is 5 cents, so you'll need 5 pennies. Get these out of the way. Equals 1 nickel. You can see those. And then we have a dime. A dime is worth, oh, let's get this guy turned over, is worth 10 whole cents. So this little tiny coin, which is the smallest of all of them, is worth 5 pennies and 1 nickel, which is pretty cool. The next one we have the biggest coin, everybody's favorite, which is the quarter. The quarter is worth 25 cents. So, how many coins of the other coins will fit into this? Well, we have 5 cents here, plus 5 is 10. Plus 10 more is 20, so we need 1 more nickel. So all of these coins right here, get these out of the way, is worth this quarter. Pretty cool, huh? So how many quarters do you think we need to equal $1? We have 1 is 25 cents, plus 25 more cents is 50 cents, plus 25 more cents is 75 cents, plus 25 more cents is $1. And that equals $1. Pretty great. So what do you notice about all the coins? They have some things in common, and there are some things about them that are different. What do you notice that the coins all have in common? What do they all have? They all have faces on them. What else do you notice? They also have cool pictures on the back. Like this quarter is from North Carolina, and it says first in flight, so it's celebrating the first plane flight. And all the quarters, many of them have different pictures. So if you take a minute and look at all the different pictures on your quarters, and you can see where they're from. Maybe you'll find one from your state. Maybe you'll find one from Ohio, where I live. So take a minute and look at all the pictures on yours. So how are they different? So the penny is copper colored. And sometimes you can tell how old a penny is because it gets kind of yucky looking. I found one from 1944. And then I found one from 2017. So spend some time and look at all the different coins that you have and figuring out how they're different, how they're the same. Maybe you could even line them up by date, and you can figure out what oldest coin you have and what is the newest coin you have. And then the next thing you can do is let's figure out how much money we have here. So I'm going to stack mine up so they're easier to count. So I like to stack my quarters in stacks of 4, so they're easier to count. So I have 3 stacks of quarters here. So that's $1, 2, 3, $3. So I have $3 here in quarters. I have a stack of nickels, which has, this is really fun. You can use this to practice counting by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that is the same amount as 1 quarter, isn't it? So I have 25 there, plus 25, that's 50 cents. And I have a little stack of dimes, which is 50 more cents. So that means I have a whole other $1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I stacked these pennies, which you can't see, I'll move them so you can see them, into stacks of 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 450 plus this fabulous $1 here, which means I have $5.50. I can buy a lot of things with that. So you have to complete step 2 and 3. And if you're a troop leader, you can log into the Volunteer Toolkit and you can get all the badge requirements for free right there. And once you've earned the badge, you'll get this guy. It looks just like this, and it goes on your Girl Scout Daisy uniform. And if you're not a Girl Scout yet, but you wanted to watch this video and learn what we're all about, you can join by visiting, again, girlscouts.org to find more information about how to register and become a member and find a troop. And that's it. Take care.